This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Suzanne Roscher. Looking for an Oceanside fabulously high-end built home? This luxury home west/well-appointed high-end finishes offers LG third floor open live west/converse screen porch, LG bright din, gourmet newer kit west/pantry and newer Appli, gorgeous wood flooring, RF top deck west/views of ocean, kit gas grill, gas fireplace, surround sound, and feel of living right at the beach. Bckyrd fully fenced west/lush landscaping, generator, outside shower, tiled shower and garage perfect for beach days/pet grooming. LG primary bedroom west/covered porch, newer spa bath west/steam shower, secondary and suite bedroom/bath and Cvrd porch. First floor bedroom/in-law suite/flex room west/kitchenette and another bedroom west/bath. Other feet, elevator, plantation shutters throughout, 9 feet ceilings on second and third floors, LG closets, oversized garage west/access to side yard, fabulous rooftop deck west/kit, built-in gas fireplace, storage area, generator, 3-zone HVAC for each level, fire suppression system. Polysteel construction, metal roof in mint condition and ready to move in. Absolutely stunning. For more information, review the details below.